Hi guys and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show Discord game activity on your mobile devices. But before that, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell for you to get updated for upcoming videos just like this. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Discord app on your phone and make sure that it is updated. So once you know that it is updated, just click open and you will be headed to your Discord interface. So in your Discord, you can't really show the game that you are playing, even though your Discord app is running on your background of your phone or it's processing at the background. You can only just link the games that you are playing through your Discord software or browser. But in your phone, go to your display picture at the bottom right corner and then go to connections. So once you click that, you can see there all the connected social media accounts. So I have Spotify and Steam. I connected it by doing this. Just click add and then you can select from all of these options here. So you can actually select the actual game that you are playing on your phone. But for example, you're playing some of the games from Epic Games or from Riot Games or from Steam or from Xbox. When you are playing it on your laptop or your computer, it would likely appear as your status on your Discord, even though on your Discord mobile it will appear that you are playing on Steam or on Riot or on PlayStation, whatever platform that you're playing your game with. So that's just how it is, guys. Just click that one, for example, Epic Games, and then just log in your Epic Game account. And once you're done with that, it is now linked to your Discord. And that's how it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next one.